madagitari maigamiro yao thitariki 5 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku umuthi ni thiku ya 34 ona wakorwo gutire kuragena wiguano gatagati kao na thirikari ni moritio ni kaba mangirambire kuoya kiria thirikari iraigite metha-ini
abai mooe 40% na mooe 40% moikie maitho na mwena mone uria Kenya mathinikire a Kenya aya marathinika ni andu Ngai tawe na ni undu woguo teyurie mooe ucio rora ni undu waku ndoe 40% na tondu mirango ne mihingure ri mu negotiate mucoke wira andu itu matige guthinika andu itu matige gukua
guku thirikari ikirigirirwo gutabania gikaro muthenya wa Jumatatu gia kugeria gwetha kihonia kia mugomo wa Marigitari ni yugite ni irageria njira ciothe gutigirira Kenya ni mathie na mbere kwamukira motungata ma urigitani
about recruitment of doctors from abroad and from anywhere. I can assure you that is a possibility which we will have to explore to the extent possible to ensure Kenyans do not continue to suffer.
Thirikari imwe cia kaunti ni ciugite ni ikwandika madagitari undu uria thirikari ironeka gwitikaniria naguo.
As you know, counties advertise positions. We know there are many staff who qualified from the Kenya Medical Training College. We know there are people who have qualified who have not been absorbed. Therefore, I want to assure Kenyans we shall take any measure possible.
Mubango wa thirikari ni gucokania ndundu na marigitari na gwetha uiguaniro mweru uria ugukuruhania thirikari cia matura iria nicio irugamirira ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV retwo riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.